How to treat normal skin. Normal skin, not too dry and not too oily. Normal skin has no or few imperfections. No severe sensitivity. Barely visible pores. A radiant complexion. Limit bath time. 1. Hot water and long showers or baths remove oils from your skin. 2. Avoid strong soaps. Strong soaps and detergents can strip oil from your skin. 3. Shave carefully. To protect and lubricate your skin, apply shaving cream, lotion or gel before shaving. Pat dry. 4. Moisturize dry skin. For the best skin and hair care products, you can check out our Instagram page by Real Glamour, a luxury skincare brand, beauty beyond the boundaries. Do subscribe to our channel and follow on Instagram as well.